Good morning, class. So I'm going to explain the homework a little more for you. So this is the first page. Look at here. A, fractions on a number line. Here it says between the number 0 and 1. Between. Here we have 0 and we have 1. And we're talking about what is in between these numbers. How many equal parts has each number line been divided into? So all you have to do is count how many equal parts this number line has been divided into. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's been divided into 6 equal parts. Okay, that's it. All you're doing is you're counting the spaces. Just the spaces. These are the equal parts. They're the same size. And so this 0 to 1 is the whole size. Remember the word whole? Okay, number 1 is whole. Okay, so let's take a look at number 2. We have 1, 2. 2 spaces, 2 equal parts. Okay? And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This has been divided into 12 equal parts. So pause the video, do the homework A, and then come back and I will show you the next page. Okay, this is page B. Okay, it's a little bit different. This says, label the fractions on each number line. The first one has been done for you. Okay, this one is done. So let's take a look. All you're doing, the very first step is counting the spaces. 1, this space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's 8 spaces. Look at down here, all the bottom numbers say 8. But then you're going to put a number for the line. So this from 0 to 1 is 1/8. From here, 0 to here is 2/8. 0 to here is 3/8. 0 to 4 here is 4/8. 0 to here is 5/8. 0 to here is 6/8, and 0 to here is 7/8. And then 0 all the way to here is 1 whole. okay? So let's do number 2. First we need to count the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 to here, to here, to here. We got to put the 5s in. 5, okay? So 0 to here is 1. 1/5. 0 to here, there's 2 equal spaces to this line, so we have 2/5. 0 to here, we have 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. So this line is 3/5. And 0 to this line, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. So this line represents 4/5. Okay, so all you're going to do is write the fraction under the line it represents. Okay, so pause the video and do this homework B, and then I'll show you homework C. Okay, so for homework C, now that you understand the number line, you're going to write an actual fraction. You're going to figure out the dot on the number line, what the fraction is. So our first step, we have to know the bottom number. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 equal spaces on this number line between 0 and 1. So we write 4 under this line. Then the top number is going to be the amount of spaces to this dot. So we have 1, 2, 3. So the top number will be 3. And this fraction is 3/4. Okay, let's do number 2. First step, we count the whole number line from 0 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the bottom number is 5. Okay, then we count how many spaces to this dot. There's 1, 2. So the top number is 2. It's 2/5. Okay, let's take a look at number 3. First step, count from 0 to 1 all the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 equal spaces on this number line, so we're going to put 10. And now we count the spaces to this dot. 1, 2, 3. So this number on top is 3, and it's 3/10. Okay, so I've done 3 problems for you for homework C, and I think you can do the rest now. And this one is super easy, so you can do that one and all the rest.